Alright, this is a special video and this is going to be an overview of linear functions. So, we are going to go over some of the gestures and how I want you to be thinking in your mind while you're watching or while you're taking a test and on graphing a linear function. That is when x is to the first power normally and y is to the first power normally. This again will be talked about when we do the special linear functions, when I show examples where this might not work. Well, it won't work. So for this example today, these are going to be your standard run-of-the-mill linear functions that are written in slope-intercept form. So there are no written notes for this part. It is just me doing the gestures because I want you to practice that at home. So mom, dad, whoever, if you're watching this or you're hearing me in the background, you need to make sure your son or daughter are standing up because they are doing this with me because we practice this in class. I just want you to do it again on your home to practice. Here we go. Alright. Don't install. Leave me alone. Okay. Next slide. Alright. So if we are graphing the line y equals x, this is the mother of all equations. So we're standing up and we are making the mother of all equations. Alright. Next. That's the line. So that's mother. So everyone's showing me mother. Alright, here we go. Eventually it'll go on to the next thing. Alright, so if I have y equals x plus 3, mother is still the general shape, but it's just getting taller. It goes up. So my arms aren't really moving, even though I'm not very well balanced. But it's going up by 3. So that is the mother of all equations raised up by 3. Again, if you notice, it is going through right here. That is called the y-intercept. So it's going through the y-intercept at 3. So that's mother at 3. So what if I show you another equation where it's x minus 4? Well, plus 3 raises up by 3. Minus 4 must drop down by 3. So you're showing me mother and you're dropping down by 4. Okay. So there's x minus 4 going down. Awesome. Next set of examples. Again, we're going to start with the basics. You're going to show me mother right now. Show me mother. Here we go. Out of your chair at home, having a good time, doing some PE while doing math videos. How confused are you right now? I know I'm not, because I know what's going on. Y equals x. That's mother. So my next question is going to become, what if I put a negative in front of it? So negative always means opposite. So if this is mother, well, the opposite of mom is dad. And dad goes like this. This is the father of all equations. So eventually it'll show up. There we go. That is the father of all equations right there. So again, this is mother. Show me mother. And then this is father. Okay. So if father has a plus 2, well, it's just like mom. Dad's going to get taller by 2. So stand on your toes, that's plus 2. So he goes up by 2. If you notice again right here, look at that. It's going through a 2 right there. Awesome. What about the next part? Well, if I have father and I minus 4, well, here's father again. Remember, this is mother, so right now we're doing father. And father is going down by 4. Good times. So again, it drops down the y-axis by 4. It falls by 4. Next slide. Here we go. Again, we're going to start with mother. So that's the mother of all equations right there. What if I put times 3 in front of it? So we got y equals 3x. So this is mother times 3. What's going to happen? Oh, there she is. She got more slanted. She just tilted a little bit more by 3. Cool. What if I put 7? Well, if it tilts a little bit by 3, what's it going to do with 7? It's going to tilt a little bit more by 7. So we're times it by 7. So this is mother, this is x, 3x, and this is 7x. So it's getting steeper. What if I multiply by a fraction? Well, fraction's getting smaller number. So a fraction's smaller than 3. So if 3 is doing this, and getting steeper, wonder what 1/2 is going to do. That's right, 1/2 is going to become flatter. So it's not completely flat, but it's just getting flatter. So, again, mother of all equations, steeper when there's a number multiplying in front of it. If there's a fraction in front of it, it's getting flatter. If I'm adding to a number to it, like +3, I go up by 3, but I don't change my slant. If I have a minus, then I'm going down by 3, or minus whatever. And if there's a negative in front of x, that means it's just the opposite. But if it's a negative steep number, it's really steep. And if it's a negative number plus something, then it's doing the same rules as mother. So there's nothing really different except mom and dad. Mom's doing this, dad's doing this. That's it. So that is it for this video. Hope you had a great time getting up and working out those muscles. No notes for this video. Have a great night.